Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while and I'll be honest, absolutely nothing has happened. However, today all the bits have been boxed up and sent down to Thurston Engineering, so the engine stuff, engine work can get finished off and done and dusted. So as we speak, the bits are winging their way down to Thurston, so Baz and the team can unpause the engine work and hopefully get it over the line in the coming weeks. It's just the reason nothing's happened much on the project is it's quite easy. The work has been really busy. Obviously, as I said in the previous episode, I've been training a lot with my running and stuff. Both races done and dusted now, so that's done and I'm back to running, you know, just kind of when I can fit it in the weeks. I'm trying to run at least twice, a minimum of twice a week, 10 kilometers minimum, to maintain, you know, some kind of the fitness levels, and now I can concentrate on the car. I had to take a day off today because working on days compared to the luxury I used to have of working on shift, working on days is pretty tough to get to the post office and stuff because work has been absolutely full on. I mean properly full on, and so I just come home in the evenings and just basically miss the post office on the way home and that kind of stuff, and with other family stuff going on as well. So yeah, the bits are now on their way down to Essex, as I've just said, and you know, when hopefully get the engine back at some point soon, and the plan is to obviously rebuild this up and get it running, MOT'd and back on the road so it can actually. Hopefully this fucking camera is recording again. I've literally, don't know, there's a fresh battery, absolutely completely died. It should have been, well, it was displaying 100% battery, but anyway, let's just say get it running, MOT'd. This year I've got a lot of things planned that I did last year, and obviously you know, things happened. I didn't get around to doing stuff, so this year I fully intend to do it, including working on the car, getting it running, getting it out there, going to cars and coffee events, and you know, taking it for a blast in the evenings and on the weekends, you know, when I get the time, and of course usually using it for work on the occasional day as well. I'm not going to use that for that too often because I have trust issues with some of the people that park based on the doors on my van in work. Obviously 205's a bit narrower, but I'm not going to take that risk, so I'll take it in on the quieter days of the week. No disrespect to those who do park decently in work, but I don't really want to take that chance. And so based on that, yeah, you're going to use in the car, but there's lots of stuff I need to do. May is a busy month. I'm going to be going away for a week and a bit, so there'll be nothing for the channel during that time, the first week in May. And it's going to be a busy month really, with going away and lots of stuff to do, so that leaves I'm not quite sure how things are going to pan out with getting the engine back from Thurston Engineering, from Baz and the crew. We'll have to figure that one out, and I'm aware that obviously with the delay of me getting the stuff, getting my arse in gear, getting the stuff down there, which is winging its way down there today, happily, where the engine will fit in terms of the queue now, because obviously it's been paused. So I've given Baz a shout, just a quick couple of lines in Messenger. I believe he's on his holidays at the minute, so I didn't want to disturb him too much. And thanks, Elsie. So that's he's aware now of the bits are going down there. Hopefully get an update as to when they'll start building it, and try and get some kind of idea of when the engine will be returned. So I was looking at how to get the engine back here, because obviously I was considering driving there, driving home, but it's like 6+ hours to get there, and obviously the same sort of similar amount of time to get back, so that's like 2 days worth of time. So I think now, well, I'll book a courier, or we'll do something courier wise to get the engine back home, get it in a pallet and make sure it's well protected and stuff like that, so it doesn't get damaged after spending a substantial amount of money getting it rebuilt. So I'll also ask Baz as well for images, for photos of the rebuild assembly, because they'll be good for, obviously, for the project, for the channel, so I can share with you as things are going along. But it will also be good for the portfolio for the car, should at some point in the future, not going to happen, so I decide to sell the car. It'll be a comprehensive history with the car, obviously the whole rebuild and the respray and everything will be in there. So it's good provenance for what the car has had over the time of my ownership. Not going to happen. I'll have the car, got it to where it was, exactly to where it was. Shit happened, and I am where I am. So yeah, loads of stuff to do on a personal level this year. Definitely lots to do with this. Get it back up and running, getting it out there again so people can see it, so I can, well, more importantly, I can enjoy driving it again and catch up with people who I haven't seen last year really, and on the cars and coffee scene and the car shows and stuff, if I can manage to get them. Speaking car shows, the intention is at the minute to get to Pugfest. Not quite sure where I'll get there this year, to be completely honest. There's a couple of things that have come up that could well possibly, if other things slip, might clash. So I'm not sure I can make it this year. But the intention was to fit a tow bar and the electrics onto the camper van and get this. Thanks again, Elsie. And drag the 205 down there, spend the weekend there this time around, chill out and have a few beers with some of the guys I've got to know over the years, and shoot the breeze and just enjoy the show on the Sunday. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to pan out, but we'll see, and they'll tell you soon enough whether I can or not. But yeah, yesterday channel hit a milestone, 980 subscribers, so thanks to everybody who's been sharing the channel. A warm welcome to the new subscribers, and of course a massive thank you to those of you who have stayed subscribed to the channel, remained loyal to the channel, and just stuck by it, stuck with it. It's been a shit year or so. It's been stop and go a lot, so not a lot I could do about that, because stuff happens in life, doesn't it? So, but yeah, just a huge thanks to everybody for everything, all the support and everything. So I'm hoping at some point this year I'll be celebrating getting to 1,000 subscribers, and that's going to be in the goal from the very first moment I switched the camera on to vlog with the 106 GTI project. And yeah, it's just gone steadily from strength to strength from there on. But so that's it for now. That's it for this episode. Thanks again, as ever. Take care, look after yourselves, and stay safe. And I'll catch you in a couple of weeks with hopefully some updates as to the engine rebuild. But we'll see how it goes. Take care. See you again.